What's up, you guys? This is your boy PokaTech here, opening a Ghost from the Past 2, the second hunting. This is the latest set, I believe, from the hunting. And first edition, because you already know. Big boy, Blue Eyes, Dark Magician Girls, and I believe we have a Red Eyes as the big hitters from this set. Already opened the box, get straight from it. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from a display case. I've seen online that usually it has a higher chance from pulling some of these ghost rares compared to the first one. As we can see, it has 5 cards total, 20 ultra rare cards, and then we have the waifu card. Yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it, boys. The Konami boys. See if we can redeem ourselves today. That original first hunting. I opened, I want to say, not so much on the channel, but like about 20 of these little cases. I still didn't pull none. Oh, they're just, okay. Don't put it in the little sleeve, so yeah. So we have here, and Cyber Dragon also. Yeah. Well, let's get straight into it, boys. Go with that Dark Magician Girls, because you know that waifu. The waifu, very nice. So let's see what the stats are. Oh no, this one doesn't say the set. Usually it says the set's just 5 cards in every pack. Alrighty. Once again, I post every Friday and Wednesday for the most part. Looking forward to some new content. Yu-Gi-Oh! Pokemon Digimon. Feel free to hit the, there's a little Warfing. Maybe. Get something good. Okay, put that in the back. Yeah, let's get straight into it. What I like about these, all of them, I think, are all shiny cards, and you know, I love me some shiny cardboard. So you can't even see the name, the prismatic, Time Tech. We have the Vision of Hero. We have the Metal. The print line game already, Konami. Seen it, the Zombie World. The Rampant Dragon. Very nice. Next one we have the Cyber Dragon pack. Leave a comment below. We will be doing a giveaway from this set if you pull any haunting. A bigger. Right there. The Master Hyperoin. The Majestic Hyperoin. The Agent. Very nice. And we, okay, like I was saying, we're going to be doing a giveaway. Just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll reach out to you. Let's see what else. We have the Vampire, the Lady of Grace, the Comedian. The Dark Magician Dragon Knight. Another card that I was, I wanted this one. The Dark Magician. Black Air Force energy. Very nice. On the next pack. We have the Conflict with these print lines. Oh my god. No wonder no one grades modern, because there's so many cards. What is that in the back? Okay. And we have the Protector of the Ancient Moon. We have the Pendulum Arena. Very nice. I like that little house on. And we have the Tragedy of Disventure. Yes, Pokemon has but it's almost the same thing always. It's like, here's the same Pokemon, different place, but then the Yu-Gi-Oh! Every time I see it, they always have such amazing artwork. On to our next set of packs. Hopefully y'all out there who's opened some got some pop pulls. And then that good stuff, some of the waifu cards, you know, during the edition. We have another dragon praying to the lords, the DD slime, and we have the fallen sanctuary with the hard print marks, and we have the ghost trickster, and we have the DD Dawn Knight, another one to add to my DDD. Alrighty, on to the next one, Dark Magician Girl. Very nice. Let's see. Come on, we need something good. Oh, we have the Wandering Knight one. Oh, this looks like from the original, I forgot, it was Phantom or Jaguar or something from the original. Yeah, so we can even Brutal. Oh! We have the DT Zero Rage, very nice, and we have a Fossil Fusion, very cool, and a Majestic to our next one. Give me something good, come on. Spend all this dinero on it, come on. We have the Dark Contract, we have the Cupid Pitch, and another Dark Magician Dragon Knights, and on to our next one. Come on, something good, and we have the Box of Friends, very cool. And then we have the Vampire Sorcerer, the Chromatic Dark Magician Girl, and then we have the Plunder Ships. And then the Crumbs of the Sky. Original Ghost from the Past. I've heard from like a full case. I've seen people pull like 1 all the way to like 5 or 6. Not from what we're opening, but from the whole actual like case. It has 5 or 6 of these display weapons. Okay, so we have another Vampire Sorcerer Infinite Pawn with a 3, looking like Jaren or Geronimo. The Vision Hero, the Sacred Palace, and then the Fist Energy, Okay, on to our next one. Boom! Another Vision Hero. And we have the Despiny of Comedy, Sacred Water. These are always so hard to read. The Boss of Eternity. Very nice. And we have, what's it called? Mega Feet Dragon. And stuff, but it does not compare to I find like used cards. I found them with half less. Okay, so we have the Brutal Force, the Advanced Ritual of Arts, and a what's it called? OD Rebellion Overlord. Very cool. Can't even tell what that is. Okay, so there's a head. Is that a dragon? That's very confusing. And another. The Vampire Duke. Oh, very fancy. Very fancy. Okay. On to our next. Boom. We have the dragon. The code. The Ghost Trick to Marry. And then we have the Agent of the Wisdom. And then the Black Dragon. Our next pack set. Still no Ghost Raiders. Still nothing. We have the 9 Yang Zeng Dragon. The sandwich, my boy. I wanted it. Very nice. Very cool. With the print lines. Ooh. We have, ooh, it looks like a little dragon. And the vampire. Very nice. Always. There's been like 10-cent cards, 25-cent cards that have like crazy good artwork. We have the rookie warrior lady with the big sword. And then we have the Dysphenia. We have the Manic Monarch. And we have the Motor Shell. And we have the Mate. Very cool. The commons, non-commons, not evenly matched. And a bunch of other things. Ooh, another dragon. Ooh, very nice. The Blaze Dragon. Very cool. Okay. Oh, another part of the Fossil Machine of Combines. Very nice. Oh, the Yangzing Dragon, followed by the number 60 Timeless. Ooh. Only good puzzle. Here we appreciate good art. We appreciate it. Take the time. Ooh, we have the Ghost Trick Zombie. Ooh, we have the Ice Dragon. Oh, the Rainbow Dragon, very nice. The Vampire Takeover, followed by the Fossil. I just love this. Here we are, you guys. If y'all stay tuned all the way this far, thank you. It means a lot to me. Have a giveaway from this set. All these. Pick a winner. Get in contact with it. Just hit that like, follow, subscribe, put a comment down below. I'll pick out someone to reach out to get some of these. Because once again, I do this for the hobby. I like it. It is fun. And we have another tech. Ooh, and we have the little baby Necros Dragon. The Sky of Cavalry. Oh, the Shadow Vampire. Very nice. Look at that. Tell me that don't look like Black Air Force energy. You can't tell me that. Oh, and then the Despot. Number 1 place. And it looks very. Okay. Boom. We have the Agent of Judgment with the hard print line. We have the Underworld Pluto. Very cool. Oh, another dragon. Dark Magician. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, and the Princess. Oh, and the Dark Contact. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Let's go. That's Hyper Dragon pack. Come on, Konami. Give me some. We have the Void of Caution. On the Alien Hero Knight, DD Slime, the Metal. Alright, you guys, the last pack. Last pack of the day. Come on. Let's see if we get something. We have the final segment, the DD Slime, the Lights Boss, the Pendulum, and the Dot Scraper. And yeah, you guys, it's been PokaTech. See you on the next one.